Hello, all there. A very good evening to all of you. So, today I don't have very heavy to discuss about, but in today's video as well, I'll be discussing some general things in life. So, I think I need to highlight some negative sides of my own attitude, my own behavior. Okay, so it's a very famous, powerful, effective saying in Hindi. I don't know what's the exact idiom in English, but I can tell you it's Hindi version. That's I oops. Okay, so I will be telling you my 5 negative or kind of weak points, right, where I usually lack. So the first thing, as I noticed uh, in my spoken English class, we were asked to talk about the religious perspective shown in the PK movie. Although I have not finished it the whole, I am watching it and I have finished it up to uh, interval till interval. So to say I'm not very clear about what the movie was trying to convey, and there was one question that we were asked to you know talk about, which was religious. And as everybody know, it's a very sensitive topic to discuss, especially if I won't say that, let's avoid it. So yes, for everybody, religion is actually a sensitive topic, and we were asked to comment on that. But what I noticed in myself, that I kept myself totally on safer side. I although it's real that I haven't completed it till the end, but I just didn't want to you know to impose my beliefs, my perspective on others. So I noticed that yes, the environment is getting hot because yes, people thought that the movie was all about mocking the Hinduism. So there were two boys. One was Akshay from Hyderabad, and another was Shivoy from maybe UP, right? One of district of UP, and they believed that the PK movie was all about mocking Hinduism. They believe they actually said it, that what we felt is that movie was just targeting the Hinduism. It was exposing the dark side of Hinduism, uh, but on the other side, it did not expose the dark side of other religions. So what I noticed for myself, it was their perspective, completely fair, no if and buts. It's okay for them, right? So the problem, what I noticed in myself, that why I keep myself away when it comes to talk about religion. And there was one comment from my tutor as well, that politically very clear, huh? Like I avoided twice to speak anything about religion. Yes, I didn't actually want it. I didn't want to say anything about it. I could say anything, what I think, or I could say anything what I believe, but I just avoided it. So I count this quality of mine as my weak point. Another thing is what I noticed from my work is I don't run behind credits. I don't know it's a good point or a weaker point for me, but I think when I'm working hard, so why don't I run behind the credits? Why I let somebody else to take the credit for my work? But the another voice from my heart is that it's okay if you believe that you are working hard, so don't worry. One day or the another day you are going to be paid for that. Don't get confused and don't get nervous that somebody else is gathering the fruits of your hard work. So yeah, it's, I don't know whether it was a good point or bad point about me. Yeah, so I just wanted to say about it, right? Okay, actually what the problem is today, I didn't prepare anything. Yes, I commit this. Yeah, I should, because when we don't plan the session, it's actually distracting. We don't know what to talk about, what to say, how to present. But at the second side of this unplanned sessions is also that when we are planned, we know what kind of words we need to use, what to say about it, so we can easily frame structures, sentences and everything. We just have to translate, just we have to convey. But when you do unplanned sessions, so you have to think immediately, you have to translate, you have to frame the structure, you have to make sentences immediately in your mind. So yes, this is also helpful. But yeah, okay, let's do it together. No worries about it. Yeah, it's okay. Not every day can be your the day of joy. I believe in that most of your life is normal. The ups and downs are few in those many days of life. So even I don't expect that every day is a day of joy. Although it was not bad day for me, it was okay. Like yes, I was lost in somewhere, I mean in the class. I didn't speak a lot, but yeah, I listen what people think about the Akshay from Hyderabad asked that can anybody tell me that what do you guys believe, that what's difference between dharma and your religion. So I avoided that on my personal level. But eventually what tutor and what other people wanted to say, that dharma is kind of a universal thing. Dharma is more about what's wrong, what is right as a human being. And religion is what, a name, you know basically a name which represents a community. Maybe it's a big community or maybe it's a small community, so it's minority. Oops. Yeah, so that's all for today. I don't know why I'm not so excited and I'm not lacking of minutes to speak, because it actually happens when I'm excited, I'm good, I'm feeling top of my happiness. I think that I do think that oh my god, it's getting lengthier session, but today I'm just not willing to say a lot. But okay, forgive me for this day. I know I have not delivered a very something concrete, but it's okay guys, please adjust. That's all. Let me wind up this session now. Stay tuned, stay connected, means the same. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.